Hello everybody, today I would like to talk you about how you can change your hair color in Photoshop in a simple way and under 5 minutes. Okay, let's start. First of all, you should open your picture in Photoshop and we need some palettes here. First of all, navigator and then history if you have some mistake and layers. Okay, let's start. Okay, first of all you need to create a new layer. Okay, select here near the recycle bin to create a new layer. Okay, now you have a new layer. Okay, what color you want to change your hair? Select here the color one and select, I don't know which one is good here. I think the blue one, or maybe the blue one is better. Oh no, the purple one. Yeah, I think purple one is better here. Okay, let's start. And then select the brush. Brush is here. You need a different size of brush. Okay, let's start. Zoom in with this one and zoom out with this. Okay, let's start. If you have a mistake, don't worry. You can select erase tool and clean it. Okay. Okay. You can up and down with the red rectangle from the navigator. Okay. And here. Okay. You can change your size to color better. Okay. But this method is only useful for the bright hair. I will tell you for black font another time. Okay, zoom out. Here you can size down and mm, okay. Okay, if you have a mistake, you can erase it with eraser tool. Okay, maybe it's enough. Yeah. After that, you must select the overlay from your layers palette and just select overlay. Okay, so if you think here need color, okay, use it. Just be careful, you must be here in this layer and just brush it. Okay, everywhere that you want that don't have color. Okay, if you don't like the purple one, you can change it very easy. Just select here from the toolbar, select image and then replace color. Okay, you can change your color easily. Okay, or you can use with saturation. Okay, and then you can save from here. Okay, have a good time.